3, 2, 1.
What is the largest freshwater lake by area in the world? The answer is A. Lake Superior. What helps in solving mathematical problems? The answer is A. Calculator. What is the product of two primes greater than 10? The answer is C. 625. Which mountain range runs through South America from north to south? The answer is A. Andes. A man is trapped inside, yet it cannot cry out for help. What is it? The answer is C. Telephone booth. Which mathematical term means the opposite of a square root? The answer is A. Negative root. From which Mark Twain book does the following line come? I never felt so filled with a blessed peace as I did yesterday when I learned that Michelangelo was dead. The answer is C. The Innocents Abroad. Which of these is a non-metal? The answer is C. Copper. On the TV show Soap, Jessica and Mary's father was an ex-military man who lived in a world where he was still fighting the war. What was his rank? The answer is B. Major. What is the name of the detective in Broadchurch? The answer is D. Detective Alec Hardy. Deposition refers to when a gas changes to what state? The answer is C. Solid. What is the Roman equivalent of Athena? The answer is A. Minerva. Who did Catherine Zeta-Jones and Michael Douglas name their son Dylan after? The answer is B. A poet. Bone cells need nutrients. Which two systems get nutrients to bone cells? The answer is A. The digestive system and the circulatory system. A mineral can be made of an element or A. The answer is D. Compound. Which of the following was Mahavira known for? The answer is C. Principal figure of Jainism. Which of these foods is the name of a street in Comedians Abbott and Costello's routine, where Costello gets beaten up by mentioning that name? The answer is A. Bagel. Which ocean is the farthest from the equator? The answer is D. Pacific. How are the people having rectangular palms, flushed skin, and short fingers classified according to palmistry? The answer is A. Fire. Tin is oxidized at the anode, while silver ion is reduced at? The answer is D, cathode. What is so soft that a needle cannot puncture it? The answer is D, butter. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1994 for his work on fighting landmines? The answer is D, Jody Williams. Who was the first professional athlete in baseball history to hit a home run and score a touchdown in the same week? The answer is D, Jim Thorpe. What year did the television show Bosom Buddies leave the airwaves? The answer is D, 1982. Who invented the stethoscope? The answer is A, René Laennec. What atoms make up a water molecule? The answer is C, hydrogen and oxygen. Which vehicle's speedometer is measured in knots? The answer is C, ship. Who wrote the detective story series featuring Sherlock Holmes? The answer is B, Arthur Conan Doyle. What make and model of car was impounded by the police in the movie Redline? The answer is C, Ford GT. In the movie Adventures in Babysitting, Chris is accused of being a centerfold from what men's magazine? The answer is A, Playboy. Which language was created by Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg? The answer is D, Simplified Chinese. What is the name of the city that was built by the Romans as a military camp in 43 AD, later becoming the capital? The answer is A, Constantinople. Which part of the body has osteocytes? The answer is C, bones. The Cincinnati Red Stockings were the first professional baseball team. They played in the first professional game in 1869. Who did they beat? The answer is A, Antioch College. Which word means a group of unofficial, often secret and scheming advisors? The answer is A, Camarilla. Which instrument is the largest member of the brass family? The answer is D, tuba. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre, also called the Church of the Resurrection, is an example of Byzantine architecture located in which city? The answer is D, Jerusalem, Israel. What was the name of Fraser's father's dog on the hit TV show set in Seattle? The answer is A, Eddie. What does the term vaccine originate from? The answer is B. Varioli vaccini, Latin for smallpox cowpox. What is the first video game to sell over 1 million copies? The answer is B. Space Invaders. In the South Park episode Pink Eye, what is Cartman's Halloween costume? The answer is A. Adolf Hitler. The capital city of England is? The answer is C. London. Name the couple Doug and Carrie always hang out with on the TV show The King of Queens. The answer is A. Deacon and Kelly. What's often found in the heart of every song? The answer is C. Beatboxer. What we find only in the dark, yet we can't see it. The answer is D. Shadow. The world's largest vehicle is a road legal firefighting truck. The answer is C. Magnus Maximus. In the movie Original Sin, Antonio Banderas portrayed Luis Vargas, a character obsessed with a femme fatale, played by which actress? The answer is C. Angelina Jolie. Who is the protagonist of 100 Years of Solitude? The answer is B. Jose Arcadio Buendia. Which type of Japanese tea room has a low table and cushions on the floor? The answer is A. Cha no yu. Drew and Kate were romantically involved at one point in the Drew Carey Show, but did not get married for what reason?